Welcome to YT Info Corner, your go-to source for all things informative, fun, and educational. With our team of knowledgeable and passionate hosts, we strive to make learning exciting and accessible to all. Join our community of curious minds and embark on an exciting journey of discovery and learning. So, if you're ready to expand your knowledge and have some fun along the way, hit that subscribe button and join us at YT Info Corner. YT Info Corner, where learning meets fun.
Introduction. Today, we're diving deep into the world of computer networks, a fundamental part of our digital lives. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how networks work and their significance. What are computer networks? Show animated graphics illustrating connected devices. A computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that communicate and share data. Whether it's your home Wi-Fi or the global internet, networks are everywhere. Types of computer networks. Computer networks come in different flavors. We have local area networks, LANs, for homes and offices, wide area networks, WANs, that connect cities, and even metropolitan area networks, MONs. Each has its own purpose. Network topologies. The way devices are connected within a network is called a topology. We have bus, star, ring, and mesh topologies. It's important to choose the right one for your needs. Network protocols. Now, let's talk about network protocols. These are like the rules of communication on a network. TCP, IP, HTTP, and FTP are some common protocols that ensure data is transmitted correctly. Networking hardware. To make a network function, you need hardware like routers, switches, and modems. Routers, for instance, direct data between devices and manage traffic efficiently. IP addresses and subnetting. Understanding IP addresses is crucial. They're like postal addresses for devices on a network. Subnetting allows you to organize your network into smaller, manageable parts. Internet and the World Wide Web. Host, voice over, the Internet, a global network of networks, connects billions of devices worldwide. But it's not the same as the World Wide Web. The web is what you access with your browser. Security and threats. Security is paramount in networking. Firewalls, encryption, and antivirus software protect your data. Be aware of threats like malware and phishing. Future of computer networks. The world of networks is constantly evolving. With 5G, IoT, and more, the future promises faster, smarter, and more connected networks. Exciting times ahead! Conclusion and call to action. We've covered a lot in this tutorial. I hope you've gained a deeper understanding of computer networks. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology. Until next time, YT Info Corner, subscribe.